Hi everyone, welcome to US Immigration Hub channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to file Form N-600, which is an application for Certificate of Citizenship. This is a new version that will expire on the February 28, 2027, as you can see right here. If you are new to this channel, my name is Liman and I make videos for a family-based immigration to simplify the immigration process for immigrant and non-immigrant visas. First of all, I am not an attorney. I'm here to help you based on the information I have from USCIS website and also the instruction that comes with the Form N-600. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, share, hit notification bell, and give us a big like so YouTube can share the video with more people. So if you're ready, let's get started. This is a new version of N-600. Do not file the old version because it's expired, so do not file it. So to get this form, which is very simple, just go to USCIS website and type N-600 and download it to your desktop and start filing it. So the first part right here is for USCIS use only. Do not touch it. The second part right here is for an attorney if you use one. So for us, we're gonna start where it says start here. Type or print in black ink. You can do both. You can type and then add. If you want to add something, you can add it with a black ink. Only black ink. Do not correct something that's already typed. First question. This application is being filed based on the fact that select one. In my case, I am biological child of a US citizen parent. That's my option. But before we move to next one, I need to go to enter your 9-digit A number. You gotta remember, because a lot of people are confused with A number. Any immigrant that comes to the United States has a number. If you did not born in the United States, you have a number. Check your green card, check your I-797 if you have it, or say I-797C naturalization certificate. You will have it. So let's show this one right here. This is a green card. This is your USCIS A number right here. Let's go back to our form. Now let's go to part 2, which is information about you, the person filing this application N-600. Provide information about yourself if you are a person applying for the Certificate of Citizenship. Provide information about your child if you are a US citizen parent applying for a Certificate of Citizenship for your minor child. So we are doing this for a minor child. So current legal name, do not provide the nicknames. Family name, it's Baker. Given name is Adam. Middle name is N.A. When I print it, I'm going to add a forward slash with a black ink right here. Just you gotta remember that. Do not send it like this. So your name exactly as it appears on your permanent resident card. So Baker, if different from above, if it's the same, just leave it the same. A lot of people keep it blank, but I added right here. But they say right here, if different from above, if it's not different, so you can leave it blank. I think we can do it right here, so we don't have to. So this is a repetition, only if it's different than above. Now let's go to number 3. Other names you have used since birth. Provide all other names you have ever used, include nicknames, mid names, and aliases. Only one since birth. It's Baker. That's family name. Given name is Adam, and the middle name is N.A. When I print it, I'm going to add a forward slash right here. US Social Security number. I know everybody knows this. So just type your child's Social Security number right here. And date of birth is January 1st, 2018. And the country of birth is Morocco. The country of prior citizenship or nationality, it's Morocco. So we are applying for a citizenship for this child, but this is the prior citizenship or nationality. Of course, it's Morocco. And gender is male. Part 2, we're still talking about part 2. Now we're going to talk number 10 is mailing address in care of name. It's Baker Adam. State name and name is 100 Robert Run, Indianapolis, Indiana 46254 123. You have this. You just check your email. You will have this zip code right here. Physical address is the same as the other one right here, as the top one is 100 Robert Run, Indianapolis, Indiana 46254 1234. And the country of USA. Don't get confused right here, because once you selected the state right here, here will automatically populate the USA. Don't get confused with this, because I said right here foreign address only. But if you selected state right here, automatically will USA will populate right here. So current material status, single, is a child. U.S. Armed Forces. Are you a member of veteran of any branch of the U.S. Armed Forces? In my case is no. Information about your admission into the United States and the current immigration status. I arrived in the following manner. Port of entry is city or town is New York. State is New York. Date of entry is 01/01/2020. Family name it's Baker. Given name is Adam. Middle name is A. Do not forget to add a slash right here. Excuse me. I use the following travel document to be admitted to United States. Passport. You're going to give the passport number right here. This is an example, WLS, and you give a number. Country of issuance of the passport or travel document. In my case, is Morocco. Date, passport or travel document issued. It's the issued, not, I'm sorry, this one should be 20. This is not the expiration date. This is issued date, not the expiration date. Information about you. We start talking about part 2. I am a lawful permanent resident. If you selected other and you need extra space to complete these sections, use the space provided in part 11, additional information. So I obtained LPR status through adjustment of status in the United States or admission as as LPR. So date I become LPR is 01/01/2020, and because here my child did not use adjustment of status, just it was admitted to the port of New York, JFK, New York. They see that I have location where I was admitted. If you did adjustment of status, you're gonna give USCIS field office that granted your green card right here. 15. Have you previously applied for a certificate of citizenship or a US passport? In my case, is no. Have you ever abandoned or lost your LPR status? No. Were you adopted? And no. If you answer yes to item 17, complete item A and D. So I answered no. So A from item A to D is going to be left blank right here. So did you have to be re-adopted in the United States? No. So we're going to leave A to D blank. We're going to go 19. Were your parents married to each other when you were born or adopted? In my case, yes. Did your parents marry after you were born? No. Do you regularly reside in the United States in the legal and physical custody of your US citizen? Of course, yes. We'll start talking about part 2. Complete. Have you been absent from the United States since you first arrived? No. If you do that, if you did yes, like yes. If you did yes, have you been absent from the United States since you first arrived? Yes. If you click the yes right here, complete the following information only if you are claiming US citizenship at the time of birth. If you were born before October 10, 1952. If you need extra space to complete this section, use the space provided 11 additional information. So, date you left the country, it was 07 01 20 22. The date you return to United States is 08/1 2022. Just we went for vacation for 1 month. Port of entry. What happened here? Is 08/01 2022. Here, city or town is New York. State is New York. Yeah, here if you've been in your country for multiple times, you can add it right here. And if you need additional, if you want to add something, you can use additional information page. So for me, just once. So now let's go to part 3. It is simple. Biographic information. Not Hispanic or Latino. Race, white. Height is 3'1", 60 pound. Eye color is black. Hair color is black. Information now about your U.S. citizen, biological father or adoptive father. Now we need to talk about the father, which is me. So complete this section if you are claiming citizenship through a U.S. biological father or adoptive father. Provide information about yourself if you are a U.S. citizen, father applying for certificate of citizenship on behalf of your minor biological or adopted child. So one, current legal name of U.S. Citizen father is Baker. Given name is Liman, and middle name is Inay. When I print it, I'm going to add a forward slash right here. Part 4, we start talking about the information about U.S. citizen, biological father or adoptive father. Date of birth is January the 1st, 1980. Country of birth is Morocco. Country of citizenship or nationality is Morocco. Physical address is 120 Robert Run, Indianapolis. State is Indiana, and the zip code is 46254 and 123. And the country, of course, is USA. I already talked about that. Excuse me. Once you select the state right here, this country, well, USA is well populated under the country. My father is a U.S. citizen by, you have choices. For me, it's not naturalization. I'm a U.S. citizen by choice. Place of naturalization, name of the court or USCIS office, location, Indianapolis, city or town, Indianapolis, state is Indiana. Certificate of naturalization number, you can find it right here. This is naturalization certificate number is right here. Type it right here. A number, you will have a number. That's I mentioned. If you did not born in the United States, you will have a number. If you don't remember it from your green card, you can find it in your naturalization certificate. It's right here. So you add it right here, a number. Then date of naturalization, the date you obtained your naturalization, is January 1st, 2010. Has your father ever lost U.S. citizenship or taken any action that would cause loss of U.S. citizenship? In my case, is no. If you answered yes to item number 7, provide explanation in part 11 additional information. So, marital history. How many times has your U.S. citizen father been married, including annulled marriages or marriages to the same person? Is 1. What is your U.S. citizen father current marital status? Is married. Information about U.S. citizen father current spouse. That's my spouse. Its family name is Bushi. Given name is Bosha. Middle name is Inay. I'm going to add a slash when I print it. Date of birth is January the 1st, 1990. Country of birth is Morocco. Country of citizenship or nationality is Morocco. Spouse physical address is 120 Robert Run, Indianapolis. Here, Indiana. Zip code is 46254 1234. The country here is USA. Date of marriage is January 1st, 2014. Place of marriage is Kenifra, and the country is Morocco. Spouse immigration status, she is a lawful permanent resident. Is your U.S. citizen father current spouse also your biological father? Your biological mother is yes. Now we're going to go to part 5, information about your US citizen biological mother. Because here, no, we are getting a green card from a father, a US citizen father, not a US citizen biological mother. So in this case right here, it's going to left blank because she is not a US citizen. Is your US citizen father, current spouse, also your biological mother? Yes. So part 5 is going to be left blank because we are gaining the citizenship from a father, not the mother. So we're going to go to the next part, which is part 6. Physical presence in the United States from birth until filing of Form N-600. Only applicants born outside the United States claiming to have been born U.S. citizens are required to provide all the dates when your U.S. citizen biological father or U.S. citizen biological mother resided in the United States. Include all dates from your birth until the date you filed your Form N-600. So, U.S. citizen father. So, physical presence in the United States is from date to this date, and from this date to this date, and from this date to present. When I print it, I'm going to add to present right here. Do not put the date you sent the application. Put right here when you print it, add with the black ink to a present right here. We're still talking about part 7. Complete this only if you are applicant claiming U.S. citizen at the time of birth abroad. Has your U.S. citizen present served in the U.S. Army Forces? No. So if you do that, just you don't have to answer these questions right here. Now let's go to part 8, which is applicant statement, contact information, certification, and signature. Select the box for either item A or B in item number 1. If applicable, select the box for item number 2. Applicant statement regarding interpreter. I can read and understand English, and I have read and understand every question. I'm doing this for a minor, so I will be the preparer. At my request, the preparer named in part 10, which is Baker, Sliman, which is me, prepared this application for me based on open information I provide or authorized. It's my son, so I did this for him. It's a minor child. But if you did that by yourself, you can check A. If you speak English and you fill this form by yourself, you can do this right here. So here, applicant daytime telephone number. I use just a mobile phone number and my Gmail. So when I print it, I have to sign it on behalf of my child. I'm gonna sign it right here. They told you don't forget to sign it. Do not sign the application without signing it. I filed this for my minor child. I'm gonna sign it. I am the guardian and I'm gonna sign it for him. So, and the date of signature, of course. And also I am a preparer, so I have to file the part 10 for the prepare. We did not use any interpreter, so we're gonna go straight to part 10. Prepare's full name, its family name is Baker. Prepare's given name is Liman. Prepare's mailing address is 120 Robert Run, Indianapolis, Indiana 46254-123. The country, of course, USA. Telephone number and the prepare email address. So here, prepare statement. I am not an attorney or accredited representative, but I have prepared this application on behalf of the applicant and with the applicant consent. So prepare signature. First, I'm gonna date it. When I print it, I'm going to assign it and add the 4 slashes that for NA. So now we filed the form. We need to check the application fee, N-600 application fee. So for general filing, if you file it by paper version, is $1,385. If you do it online, is $1,385. This is for general filing. If you are filing as a current or former member of any branch of the U.S. Armed Forces on your own behalf, is $0 for both online and a paper version. If you are filing on behalf of an individual who is the subject of the final adoption for the immigration process and met before 18 years of age. The definition of child under the Immigration and Nationality Act, whatever you're going to check the sections, I'm not going to go through that, is zero filing for both paper version and online filing. So now you have your file ready. You need to know where to send it. This is to send this form right here. It will depend where you live in the United States. If you live in this state right here, Alaska, and you live outside in this state right here, including outside of the United States, you send it to this address right here, which is USCIS Phoenix Lockbox. If you use USPS, you send it to this address right here. And if you use FedEx, UPS, and DHL deliveries, you use this address right here. Now, if you live in this state right here, which is Alabama, Arkansas, and including Indiana, you will send it to this address right here, which is USCIS Elgin Lockbox. And if you use US Postal Service, you use this address right here. And if you use other deliveries, which is FedEx, UPS, and DHL, you send it to this address right here. So now you must gather everything and send them in one envelope and send it to the address that apply for you. So this is the end of this video. I hope you like it. If you do, please subscribe, share, hit the notification bell. Thank you, and see you next video.